What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am coming to you all today with yet another video, and as you can see from here in the title, we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing of the sub box from OhSoPaper. I'm really excited to get into this, but before we go any further, if you guys are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. I do all things planner and craft related here, so if you guys are into that kind of thing, you would definitely enjoy this channel. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this. So I want to start off by saying this is not how the sub box came. I just decided to put all the items inside this bag. So we can get started off with one of the first item, which is this like kind of makeup bag kind of thing, which I think is really neat. I took the sticker that was actually on the box. The box was filled with like those little confetti things, and I, again, 2-year-old, so I had to get rid of that really quickly. But I just put everything in here. I didn't really go through much of the stuff, although I kind of seen it. Also, I'll have to put another warning in the beginning, since technically this is a part of the box. If you want to be surprised of what you get in this box, do not watch this one, because this will be a full-on spoiler. OhSoPaper boxes, if you guys are curious and don't know, they are kind of like a surprise box, so to speak. So you don't know what you're getting in it until you get it. You know the theme and everything, but not the exact items. So this is the inside of the bag. You have two little spaces in here, 1 and 2, and it's like mesh, and the rest is open space. This bottom part can like flatten down here, just due to it being, you know, in the box. It's kind of out of shape, but you can force it into shape. It has a loop here if you want to attach it to another bag or something, or attach it to a zipper so you don't lose it in a bigger bag. There is also a button here. Not necessarily sure what that is for, but if y'all know, let me know in the comments down below. But I thought this was the perfect time for me to jump in, because we will be doing somewhat of a family glamping trip, although this is all about a like a girls glamping kind of thing. And I thought it was so cute. I love glamping, I really do. I cannot wait to like get with my friends. I swear, y'all, I think honestly I might even start trying to plan some kind of glamping trip for me and my girl pals sometime like early fall, because it's just been one heck of a year, as y'all know. So these are the rest of the items that did come into the box. I will say that the subscription box is $25, which I think is a really good deal with what you get. Some of them in the past had like full-blown planners in them. And I think it is like just a really cool touch, and you can hop in and skip, like if you don't like a theme or something, anytime you want, which I always appreciate it. I love that. So here is kind of somewhat of a journaling card here. I absolutely adore this. They're like out on the stars in this like little Volkswagen buggy doing their whole glamping thing. I think that's so cool. So also here it has like the monthly review. If you love this box, you can visit the website to get more stickers. Another thing that I really love about this subscription is that you're going to get exclusive items that is only available in the box. But if you're not like willing or don't really want to jump into another subscription, these themed girls will be in the shop, so you can purchase them separately. But there will be some exclusive stickers and items that is only available in the box. So first up is the magnet, which I miss getting these little magnets from OhSoPaper. I don't even think they're like sold on the website. If I'm wrong, y'all let me know. But it is the theme of the box, just like we see in the journaling card. I love these. My son tends to rip these, so I have to figure out a place for me to display them, because he literally ripped 2 of my OhSoPaper's magnets in the past. So I have to figure out a place where I can put this and it not be destroyed. We also get like a full or extra large sticker here as well, kind of like what she does for each month theme. You get that in the box. I'm going to put this aside because this is the little sticker book that you get with it. And I really love the sides, although the sides seems to be changing for the coming month, but I actually like the size. I like how small it is, but we'll flip through it in just a second. But here is the other item that we got, and it is basically a like traveler's notebook. So here on the inside, you have the darkest nights produces the brightest stars. You have hello, this journal belongs to. And then you have like little lines for like the date. It kind of reminds me of like a postcard in the inside. Little lines maybe for like the date, and you can write. You can maybe put some photos or souvenirs that you got in this. Here's like a little dashboard. It says, let the adventure begin. I love this. Them pointing up into the stars, just looking over the night. Really, really cute. And then we have just like, you can color this in because it's just an outline, and then a lined sheet. We have like a bullet journal, lines and bullet journal. So different kind of like setup going on throughout the journal. Then again, we have the darkest nights produce the brightest stars. Kind of the same thing going on. We have a different doll there. So it is, I do like this. I will say that I don't think this is something that you can think that's going to be reliable or say for all of your travels. Like if you wanted to use this as a traveling notebook, I don't think the quality is really there to be able to do that. But if this is something you just want to like jot down stuff and you keep it at your desk, I think that will work. And I think it's a neat idea. I would love to have like a notebook that was maybe a little bit more reinforced of this. But again, we got to think about the price of the box. So I think this is, well worth it. But this one says happy camper. Oh, look at her with her little bag. Too cute. I'm going to skip along and go to, I think this is the last one. Oh my God, look at them by the fire. This is so cute. I think I'm going to use this in my next spread. I love this flannel shirt she has on. That is so cute. And here is the last like little dashboard, and they're like glamping under the lights with like one of those mattress tents things. Her shirt says Wanderlust. I think it's just so cute. It's so cute. But that's the end. And let the adventure begin. I think this is really cute. Like I said, I don't think this is something you can take with you and travel, because I just think it'll get bent up. It's just not something that is like reinforced to be actually traveling with. But if it's something like little cute on your desk, you want to just take notes in it, I think it'll work for that. All right, you guys. All right, you guys, so here we are with the sticker book. I had to adjust my ring light a little bit to bring it down so you guys can see. So we'll have to bend this up. So here we go. This little doll, I love that you get multiple different sizes. So these are really cute. Lately have been into more of the smaller sizes because I have been doing daily planning in my plum paper. If you guys haven't checked out that video, I will leave a little card up above for that so you can check it out. So I am excited that I get to use these smaller ones a lot more often than I would. But we have Cambria, and then we have Wendy. Oh, look at Ashley with her little hiking, her hiking stick is so cute. Then we have Tori with her backpack. Oh, this is really cute. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. I can't even get to the next page. We have Riza, and then we have the Everyday Girl, which I love. I think she is really, really cute. That's so dope. Rissa. And then we have that scene here. I love it. So these like scenery stickers are exclusive to the box, so you can't purchase them from OhSoPaper. One thing, they have like little washi strips in boxes too. But one thing about OhSoPaper subscription is, as a subscriber, you do get a discount and you get access to, I believe, the last 3 boxes. So if you end up hopping on for the next box, you'll have the chance to purchase this items from this box as well, which I think is dope. These stickers, the quality of these stickers are really good too. I love them pointing up in the stars, her on the thing here. Oh, this is really cute. All right, we have girls night out, note to self, payday, bills due, National Wine Day is May 9th. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to hit up my friend and see if she will be down to do that, because by then I'll be fully vaccinated, but maybe it's something that we can do outside. We have Memorial Day and Mother's Day. So we have some more kind of check boxes with the dolls in them, which I think is really cute. Ooh, we have these sing ones. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my goodness, I might have to pick up another one of this. I love the idea of glamping and everything. Let the adventure begin. You have like the fire and the backpack. The darkest nights produce the brightest stars. Happy camper. And then we have Zoe and some more functional things and just like some little quote boxes. Not quote boxes. I guess they could be quote boxes, but you know, colorful boxes or whatever. But that is the sticker book. You do get 123 pieces in 10 sheets. I'm excited to see the new sides of next month's box. I really love the theme and I am super excited for it. I think honestly, the price and I'm trying to like downside on certain things. So sometimes like getting all these items in these sub boxes can be a little bit overwhelming. So I really appreciate like kind of the smaller box that we get from OhSoPaper. So if it's something that, you know, you kind of want to jump on maybe 1 month and want to skip another 2. I love that about it. That's another thing I love. Like, I think the Honeybee Shop does that as well. And that's one thing I absolutely love. Like, there's no like real commitment. Like, you can skip a month if you want to, whatever you want to do. But this is really cute. And I think it is dope for the price. Let me know what you all think in the comments down below. And as always, if you want it, plan it and do it. Bye, guys.